The 2026 Honda N600 marks the grand return of an iconic nameplate that once made history as Honda's very first automobile sold in the United States. This modern interpretation takes inspiration from the classic design of the late Equinox Suffer while embracing futuristic technology, efficiency, and a unique urban-friendly character. Honda has reimagined the N600 as a compact yet stylish city car, blending retro charm with modern practicality in a way that appeals to nostalgic fans and new generation drivers alike. Its compact footprint makes it perfect for bustling streets, while its sophisticated engineering ensures it remains versatile enough for longer drives. On the outside, the 2026 N600 draws heavily from the original model's design cues, such as the round LED headlamps, slim grille, and upright stance, but these elements are now modernized with sleek body lines, flush door handles, and aerodynamic detailing. The proportions remain compact, yet the car feels more substantial than its predecessor thanks to slightly wider dimensions and a stretched wheelbase that enhances stability and interior space. The retro-inspired two-tone paint options and classic wheel designs add to its distinctive appeal, making it stand out among other small hatchbacks. Inside, Honda has managed to merge minimalism with advanced technology. The cabin is clean and uncluttered, featuring a digital driver's display, a large central infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a set of physical controls for essential functions. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and clever storage compartments make the interior feel premium despite its small size. Seating is surprisingly spacious for a compact car, with supportive seats and enough headroom and legroom for adults, while the rear seats fold flat to maximize cargo space. Under the hood, the 2026 N600 is offered in both petrol and fully electric variants, giving buyers the flexibility to choose according to their needs. The petrol version features a refined 1.5 Suffer-LITER 3-cylinder turbocharged engine that delivers peppy performance for city driving while maintaining excellent fuel economy. The electric variant is powered by a compact yet efficient battery pack that provides a range suitable for daily commutes, paired with fast charging capability for quick top-ups. Both versions benefit from Honda's lightweight engineering and nimble suspension setup, resulting in a fun-to-drive nature that is reminiscent of the original N600 playful character. Safety has been given top priority, with Honda sensing technology coming standard across all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition, ensuring peace of mind whether navigating tight city corners or cruising on the highway. Advanced parking assist and a 360-degree camera further enhance its urban usability. The 2026 Honda N600 is more than just a nostalgic revival, it's a statement that small cars still have a big place in the automotive world. By combining retro aesthetics, modern comfort, advanced safety, and eco-friendly options, Honda has created a compact vehicle that feels fresh yet familiar. It is perfect for drivers who want efficiency without sacrificing style and personality. Whether chosen in its fuel